Okay, here we are. Out in the snow. Good morning.
Let's go dig the car out.
Car's just a little covered in snow. Okay, here we go. Off on our journey.
Here we go. Venturing home. I look like a mess right now.
It's okay. Yeah, this person's gonna need to move out of the way.
Clear.
Main Street is clear. Like, completely.
Main Street's wet.
One can only hope that the streets in Hamilton are clear as well.
No, they won't be.
Alright, we'll revisit throughout our trip. Now we're on 29. I'm operating the camera correctly. Pretty clear. I think that stuff was just blowing. Now we're on 95. Which is also very clear. Very windy, yes. Alright. We are getting off Sloan Avenue, Hamilton. Sloan looks good.
Oh, I have high hopes for us as we get home.
Macon looked sort of half okay.
Such high hopes.
I know.
Wilson is not bad.
Not bad.
Alright, I was gonna just park on Edinburgh and walk, but let's try it.
See.
Oh, I see pavement.
Don't run over our neighbor.
No, I won't.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh boy.
Uh-oh.
I think we're just gonna park right here for now. Wow. Well, that sucks.
Oh dear. Can a car get by? There's our very interesting snowdrift driveway. Had to leave the car way down there. Even though there's a spot for it right here. That's all nice and clear. They're very nice neighbors. It was snow blow for us. So I'm gonna go inside.